Guys, this is a 2017 Jaguar F-Pace R-Sport. Rebuilt title, had damage right through here. It's all-wheel drive, 3.0 supercharged motor. Power liftgate. All the kick plates are illuminated. If you can't tell, those are all glowing there. Big old 22-inch turbine wheels. It's got the Jaguar emblem lug nuts. All these seats are automatic. They can move up and down. So rear quad climate control, heated seats. Got a really cool gray, yellow trim, yellow stitch seat. Let me start it up here for you. So 35,000 miles on it. It does have the lane assist. Power lift gate, all your window controls, all the different options. There's your heated steering wheel, R-Sport badging, backup camera, heated and cooled seats. Turn on the rear heated seats from here. And front's got heated and cooled. It's got all your media, Meridian sound system with a subwoofer. All your settings, parking sensors, all your AC controls. Your sunshades. This does have a big old panoramic sunroof. Really cool LED lighting. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.